Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 4 Groupwise to Office 365 migration tools. If you're new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is Groupwise? Groupwise is a collaboration and email platform developed by Micro Focus. It provides features such as email, calendaring, instant messaging, task management, and contact management. Traditionally used by many enterprises, it is known for its security and integrated communication tools. Why do organizations migrate from Groupwise to Office 365? There are several reasons why organizations prefer moving from Groupwise to Office 365, such as easy scalability, cloud accessibility and reliability, integration with Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive, reduced server maintenance, regular updates, and security enhancements. Number 1. Stellar Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Stellar Converter for Groupwise is a robust solution designed for direct, secure, and efficient migration of full Groupwise mailboxes, including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and attachments in a Microsoft Office 365. Its interface and advanced filtering tools are ideal for both large corporate migrations and individual users. The software supports various mailbox connectivity modes, including online, remote, cache, and archive, making it versatile for diverse IT environments. Key features: direct migration of all mailbox items to Office 365, batch processing and selective export, maintains folder hierarchy, formatting, and metadata, multiple Groupwise connectivity options, advanced search and filter options, preview mailbox data before export, supports all major Groupwise and Office 365 versions. Pricing. These are the prices of Stellar Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Number 2. SysTools Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. SysTools delivers enterprise-level migration for transferring multiple Groupwise mailboxes to Office 365 securely. The tool is designed for efficiency and large-scale deployments, with granular controls for user mapping, tracking, and filtering. It delivers seamless user experience whether migrating a few or thousands of mailboxes, and generates comprehensive migration and error reports for IT teams. Key features: bulk migration with CSV mapping for users, maintains all mailbox metadata and permissions, migrate emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and documents. Advanced filtering by folder, date, and item type. Live migration tracking and reporting. Compatibility with current Groupwise and Office 365 versions. User-friendly for both IT admins and end users. Pricing. These are the prices of SysTools Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Number 3. Shoviv Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Shoviv's migration tool is well regarded for its speed, stability, and simplicity, designed for direct Groupwise to Office 365 mailbox transfer. It handles bulk migrations, advanced mapping, and even incremental migration with exceptional data consistency. Shoviv supports multiple connectivity modes, enabling organizations to adapt to their current Groupwise setup. Key features: direct migration of single or multiple Groupwise mailboxes to Office 365. Various mailbox connectivity options. Maintains structure, attachments, appointments, and item meta. Incremental and selective migration supported. PST splitting preview before migration. Supports all major Groupwise and Office 365 editions. Free trial version available. Pricing. These are the prices of Shoviv Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Number 4. Kernel Groupwise to Office 365 Migration Tool. Kernel's tool is popular for both small businesses and enterprises, offering flexible batch migration of Groupwise mailboxes to Office 365. It supports multiple mapping methods and ensures that all mailbox details, attachments, and folder structures are preserved. The tool guarantees minimal disruption to ongoing email services and maintains the fidelity of original properties, formatting, and Unicode characters. Key features: migrate one or multiple mailboxes to Office 365. Advanced filter options for item selection. Maintains hierarchy, metadata, attachments. Migration report generation. Supports all significant Groupwise and Office 365 versions. Pricing. These are the prices of Kernel Groupwise to Office 365 migration tool. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.